I think that the state report in 2024 outlined that the rural electrification program, which was of solarization of tube wells, fundings for villages, electrification to QEQESCO, it did start working and did pick up places and areas where it has started working already. So I believe that it will further improve household work, their further work to do with things. So they should keep on working on it, expand, and can make things much better. Furthermore, that people in Balochistan are already showing, as we were talking earlier, in resilience. They're resilient people by adapting small solar systems themselves. So these policies, as we were talking earlier, with the support of government, and I think jisa Pride ye kaam kar rahi hai, they should, their next few topics, if possible and if it allows, so we should focus on Balochistan, as Balochistan is one of the biggest province that suffers. और अगर हम सारे if we start criticizing their it's very easy for us to criticize. We'll probably criticize the local governments or the provincial governments because it has been their heads who have led the country, or if they start criticizing us, so it's very easy for them to criticize the Wafaq. But then again, we're not sitting on these platforms to criticize. We're not sitting in these platforms to say who's responsible. We believe that going forward, together is the way and the solution to fix and amend things. And even if we start to talk about a household issue, when we start arguing that who was right or who was wrong, so things never get or go to what it is destined to. Those conversations of right and wrong, both of the parties are always losers. I think we have spent years on this debate, and further this debate will eventually lead for us to waste more time. So I believe कि we can all work together on it. Pride का जो time है, it is of essence कि ये इसके ऊपर further debates conduct करें, कोई parliament में भी करें. Let us speak on it and open the debate how we can work on things together. And I'm very thankful to the timely research led by Muqaddas Ashik, that highlights these critical issues with clarity, purpose, her dedication, voice of marginalized communities, and presenting evidence-based solutions are commendable. Pride has worked for years on these things, and I think it together with the effort, this entire team which is here, कि इन सारों की effort से मिलकर we can go towards a better better and a safer Balochistan. I believe in it, क्योंकि I've had multiple visits, कि जो दहशतगर्दी है वो तब आती है जब पेट खाली हो. वो ये जो crime है ये तब आता है जब पेट खाली हो. I went from Quetta to Ziyarat, and then from Ziyarat to further on a few hours. It was beautiful, and it is beautiful. I think that is one landscape that requires effort, that requires all of us to go together. Balochistan के जो electrical issues हैं या electrification के issues हैं, वो I think will be a game changer in that province, in that region. जब पहिया चलेगा, wheel was the invention, और जब पहिया चलेगा, and that actually changed the entire world. And I think that one province lacks it. And ये हमारे पास जिस तरह मेरे भाई जमाल साहब कह रहे थे, उस्मान साहब कहते हैं, they're all those people कि जो एक futuristic approach को रखते हैं. And I am always so proud to see Jamal, because he comes or he represents a family that has given so much to this country. And still, when you speak to him and when you take his views, he's full of energy. He's full of positive things. And I think people like him will take the province further, and people like him will inshallah give Pakistan and Balochistan, people of Balochistan, what they deserve. And I'm very thankful to your entire team once again. Thank you ji, बहुत मेहरबानी.
पार्लियामानी सेक्रेटरी तलात निशात बैरिस्टर दानियाल चौधरी इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे. उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क में शमसी तवानाई को फरोग दिया जा रहा है. रूरल इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम पर अमल दरामद जारी है.
उर्फ गुलाम हैदर और मिस्री उर्फ